Guys, welcome back to the 2018 World of Concrete. We're here again with Jason at the Skilsaw booth. And now this guy looks familiar. That guy looks like something new. We're clearly here to talk about concrete anyways. Tell us about these saws.
Yeah, so last year we introduced our very first MeduSaw, a worm drive powered concrete cutting saw. And essentially what it is, it's our response to users who've been using our worm drives who've been cutting concrete for decades and decades, and we just decided to make a dedicated saw for it. One that integrated a dry dust collection, wet water management system for dust slurry to keep it down for silica reasons, but also these wheeled foot plates so that you're allowed to track a line absolutely perfectly. In addition, we have 3-point tracking system. The blade itself, the pointer, and also a rear feed as well.
Gotcha. So tell us what's new back here.
Yeah, let me tell you what's new. So all of the things that we just talked about with dust management, dry and wet, pointing devices with the 1, 2, 3 line tracking ability, but the major focus is that our users are telling us they want a system where they can get off their hands and knees and walk behind the saw, making it more ergonomic and easy to use. And that's really what we designed in the saw.
Great. Can we see it work?
Absolutely.
Clearly, Jason, it did. It looked like it was very ergonomic, easy, simple walking motion. You get the cut that you need. I understand, though, the ergonomics don't end at just cutting.
That's absolutely right. We really thought about storage at the end of the day and portability. Really wanted to maximize the utility of the saw. It locks into place so that you can easily take the saw and drop it into the storage bag as well. So it's 100% portable for the end user.
So after you drop it into this bag, you can pick the bag up, throw it over your shoulder, and get it back on the truck.
That's right.
Awesome. Looks good, Jason. Thank you again. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
All right, guys, there's still lots more to see here at the 2018 World of Concrete, so don't go anywhere.